Greetings, my dear students. Let's see, today is, of course, Monday the 30th, and let's take a look at what we're up to this week. Let's see, so as usual, if you go to content, no matter which course you're in, the first thing you should see is your basic course information. There we go. And you're going to want to go ahead and check out this one here, right, which is our calendar, and that lets you know what we're doing this week. So let's see, we're right here, beginning of week 3. Okay, so last week we were working on a little activity, and this week, we're and the next week as well, we're swinging more into focus on the essay. So this week we're just doing a discussion post. You're working on the essay. That's it as far as content. What is coming up? I believe I have to redo this thing to add the quizzes on there. So look for quiz 1. I believe that is something you want to. I'll make sure and update the date. See if it has. Hopefully, it hasn't passed already. It doesn't really matter, but I can change it at any point. It's not not an issue. But yeah, so look for quiz 1. Make sure I don't see that. Look like I wrote that on here. So do look to do that this week if you haven't already. There should be quiz 1. We're working to work on essay 1. It's obviously not due until the end of week 5. All right, so there's a little time on that. That's what we're doing this week. We are reading the wonderful and humorous essay "Consider the Lobster" by David Foster Wallace. A couple pieces from Writing Spaces. You'll see the PDF of that on our Cougar page, and then those are the videos there. They are just a couple things about research, and this one here is about utilitarianism. All right, so that should get you going for this week. So discussion post 3, rough draft 1. So for just about for most of the classes, you should just be able to go here, go to discussion, go to, this would be week 3, hit that. Actually, this week is a really easy one. It's a 6-word memoir, so I hope that you enjoy that, put some effort into it, but you'll also note that it is exceedingly simple or brief, as in it's only 6. It's a 6-word memoir. And then if you're in V29, if that's your section number, remember that your discussions are going to be right here. So you go to assessments, go to assignments, and you'll be able to access all the discussions right here. So this week we're working on this one here, 6-word memoir. Looks like someone's already turned theirs in, which is great. All right, so that's where we are this week. And so we're working on the essay, putting together a rough draft, looking at quiz number 1. So pretty easy stuff. So work mainly on essay 1.